In a quiet coastal village, an old philosopher and a young scientist sat by the shore, watching the waves. "What do you see?" asked the philosopher. "Just seaweed," replied the scientist. "Ah, but it's more," the philosopher mused. "It's nature's quiet guardian, capturing carbon, storing secrets of the earth." The scientist pondered, realizing the profound role of seaweed in sustaining life. "So, it's not just a plant," he said, eyes wide with newfound respect. "Indeed," the philosopher smiled. "It's a lesson in humility and balance." Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.